Hello students, welcome at EduCare. This is Vinod Bihani. In today's chemistry session, we are going to see the concept of isotopes, isobars and isotones. In chemistry, many times it comes the understanding of these terms, and then we should know what is meant by isotopes, isobars and isotones. Perhaps you remember the subatomic particles are of two types. Those which are in the nucleus, they are called nucleons, and surrounding the nucleus there are electrons. But do you know the concept of atomic mass and atomic number completely depends on the nucleons? Means, as you know, atomic number equal to number of protons, and atomic mass that deals with sum of protons and neutrons. Atomic mass number is the sum of nucleons, that is protons and neutrons, but atomic number is equal to number of protons. However, electrons number equal to always proton number because an atom is electrically neutral. Perhaps you know, an electron and a proton, they have same charge, only that plus minus difference. Then after knowing nucleons, it is now necessary to know what is meant by isotopes. Isotopes are different atoms of the same element. So it is interested to know isotopes, they are different atoms of same element with different mass numbers. To understand this, we will take here two examples. First example is of chlorine. Do you know chlorine in the 17 group of modern periodic table in P block in halogen family, and its atomic number is 17. It has two isotopes. One has mass number 35 and one has mass number 37. Then another example, hydrogen. It has such three isotopes, 1H1, 1H2 and this 1H3. Remember, because these isotopes of the same element, they have same atomic number, means they have same number of protons. Like each chlorine atom has 17 protons, each hydrogen atom has 1 proton, but because they have different number of neutrons, their mass number is different. So that is isotopes, different atoms of same element with different mass number, and these two examples are here to understand. Then the second concept is to be understood here. They are isobars. Isobars, they are the different atoms of different elements. It is interested, then they represent different elements, and because they are of different elements, these have different atomic numbers. However, they have same mass number. So what are isobars? They are exactly opposite as compared to isotopes. They have same number of nucleons, means their mass number is same, but their atomic numbers are different. We will take two examples here. One is of carbon and nitrogen. Do you know carbon has atomic number 6 and that of nitrogen 7. One of the carbon has isotope mass number 14 and nitrogen also 14. Now another example is that of potassium and argon. Potassium atomic number 19, argon 18. One of the potassium isotope has its mass number 39 and argon 39. So these are the different atoms of different elements having different atomic numbers, but same mass number, like here shown by these two examples. One more thing here important to know, like in isotopes they contain different number of neutrons, isobars also contain different number of neutrons. For example, here this carbon has 14 minus 6, 8 neutrons. This nitrogen has 14 minus 7, 7 neutron. Here in this pair, this potassium has 39 minus 19, that is 20 neutrons, but this argon has 39 minus 18, that is 21 number of neutrons. So that is about isobars and its examples. Now we will deal with the third concept, which is what called as isotones. isotones that come very less time to have that reference. Isotones, they are also atoms of different elements. So isotones are the different atoms of different elements having same number of neutrons. That is important to know. These isotones, these different atoms of different elements means they have different atomic number. Here mass number also different, but they have same number of neutrons. To understand, we will take these two examples. One is of that carbon, atomic number 6, mass number here 13, and that of nitrogen 7 in 14. We know carbon has atomic number 6, nitrogen has 7, but these isotones, can you see, they have same number of neutrons, that is they have 7 neutrons each. Another example, that of sodium and magnesium. Sodium atomic number 11, magnesium atomic number 12, and sodium has this mass number 23, magnesium 24. Can you see, they have same number of neutrons and that number is 12. So that is the isotones. Isotopes, different atoms of same element. Isobars, different atoms of different elements. And isotones also different atoms of different element but containing same number of neutrons. So this is the brief information about isotopes, isobars and isotopes. If you like this video, share maximum with your friends. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell button icon to get our incoming video notifications. Thanks.